have a nice day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to cover up my acne, my dark spots, and my large pores. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I upload my new video. So let's start now. I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade of 220, and I also have this Maybelline Super Stay Bitter Skin Concealer, and also I have this vinyl compact powder. So I will be using this for my setting later, to set my foundation later. So this foundation is a little bit liquid, much liquid. Oh look. So I will be using my finger because if I use my sponge, it absorb all my foundation in this little sponge. But I will use first my finger. I use earphone so that my voice will become more louder, because if I use my phone only, it's very low volume. So you see my dark spots, my pimples, and my pores are getting lesser using this foundation. This looks nice. I like this foundation. See? It's nice. Now I will try to use my concealer. Maybe I will use the little sponge to cover up my dark spots. This one. Maybe tap only. Okay. And here I have a lot here. And here. So it looks nice already. Even here, I will add some more because I can see some dark. So you see guys, it's much better, right? I like this Maybelline because it's very easy to apply and it's not greasy. And then I will use this compact powder. I don't have sponge for this. Maybe I will use this one. Use this one. This is natural color. You see the difference from here to here? This one is a little bit glossy and this one is already normal. It's very soft, this brush. So this is it guys. It looks nice already in my face. So I will finish my makeup using my eyeshadow, eyeliner and my lipstick. So I will use think this is lighter. Maybe I will add some more. Ayan, puntay na. I'm not that good in... Okay. So now I will use my blush on. Ayan. This is Coffret Dior. My blush on. I will add just a little. Okay. This is Nivea Strawberry Shine Lip Liner. And then I use this Avon lipstick. So that's all, guys. Maybelline is a nice brand and I like to recommend it with you. And this is not a sponsor. This is my personal makeup foundation. So if you have some comments and suggestions, please do comments down below. And I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Bye.